will show you how to create a Jalousie window family with glass blades that you can adjust the angle of the blades just like this window. If I show you the window, the Jalousie is around 45 degrees, and I will adjust it something like it's not here. Okay, cancel. Oh, here, like 90 degrees angle, apply, and you'll see it's adjusting. So 30 degrees, apply. So that's Jalousie window that I will show you how to do it. Okay, now let's start creating the family. Let's go to new, generic model, and now you have 4 views here. So just show the 4 views. This is the plan, 3D view, front view, and left view. I will start in a left view so that I can see the angle of the blade. First you need to do is create a reference line from intersection of reference line and horizontal and vertical reference lines. So click here, make an align it and lock it to the reference line for vertical and horizontal line, so that you can create angle and make this parameter blade angle. Click OK. Now you have a angle for the blade. So then you have to get the width of the blade, you have to create another parameter. So make a dimension in it, and this will be become the width. I would say width. So 1.9 is a very long dimension, so we'll create usually the width of the blade is 4 inches, so I will make it 4 inches. So this is the 4 inches blade here. Now we will model the blade itself. So I will use create and swap. Take this as your path line. Hold on. Okay, let's to create easily the blade, you have to make this 90 degrees so that you will do it on a plan. Okay, from here create, sweep, pick path, use this, then go to the plan and create the blade. Say edit profile, let's make it small. Now we have a blade here, which is vertical position. So let's put the length of the blade. So edit, swept, and say this is the length of the blade. And this is the thickness of the blade. Okay. Okay, and okay. Now, as you can see here, we have a very small blade here. So let's show it like 45 degrees so that you can see how it looks like. Then this is the blade. Then put a length on it, say 2 feet, and the thickness is say 1/4. Say oops, say okay. Now we can see it's look like it's really a blade now. We can change the angle to say 30 degrees, apply, and you can see that it changed 90 degrees, apply, you can see it. So put it back to 45 degrees. Now we have a blade now. And let's put a material on it. Let's say blade material. Yes. Now we have a blade. Let's say material, like put it a glass material on it. Let's change a little bit of color so it's not too dark. Okay. Okay. See, we have a blade now. Now save it as a blade. Class. Now the next thing you will do is create a series of blades. So let's say new family, and I will use the generic model again. Let's close the other windows for the blade. Now, this is our new family. Then this is a nested family, so we have to load this to a new created family. Go to the left view, align it to the reference line, lock, you can see you can still do the angle, say 30 degrees, apply. You can see it change. So let's put a dimension. This is the angle of the blade. Now we will create a series of blades. First of all, we create a reference line, and this will become the height. Create the series of blade, you use the array, but I don't have array. Dang. Now that we have a series of blades, we just copy it by array. You can start doing the window. So file, new, file, new family, and by this time I will using the window template. Now the first thing you need to do is just load this family to the new created family. So load it, and you'll see it's here. I will align it to the center and lock it. Same thing in elevation. Align and lock it. As you can see, the length of the blade is not the same as the opening, so all you have to do is click the family edit type and go for the length, which is 2.8, and I will click this little button here and say width and click OK. Now it's same on the opening and the length of the width. Same thing in the elevation. See, the height is 4 feet and this is not in the 4 feet height, so all you have to do is same thing what I did before. So go for the height and click for this one. So now you can see this little excess here is because of the angle of the blade. So don't worry about that. If you change it to hidden, you can see it. So let's do the wireframe so that you can see everything. Now you have the blade family in a window. It's up to you if you want to put a frame on it, and this is just a very basic. So I will show you if you want the frame, I will show it to you in other video. So another thing, you will have to align it on the middle of this and lock it. So to see the section, you can create a section here. You can see our blade is here. It depends on where you want to align it, either on the middle or in the edge of the wall, but for just viewing purposes, I just align it in the middle. So now, as you can see, I have 4 feet high here and 3 feet and 3 feet width of the window opening here. So if you change it, let's say I will make the width 2 feet. Now the blade follows, and I made this 3 feet. See, the blades follow. So that's it. And now if you like to make it more beautiful, you can create a frame on it. So this is just very basic. So the idea is you know how to create the blade of the window, which is you can change the angle of the blade. So by the way, you can make angle parameter here, so that once you inserted the window family, you can see the parameter. So see here, let's say I would say 45 degrees. Then all you have to do is same thing at the height. I will make this angle here. So once you inserted it to your project, you can see the angle parameter. Okay, that's it, and thank you for watching, and I hope you like and subscribe to my channel so that I can see more of my tutorial. Thank you, everyone.